No,
You're not
what-
allowed to ask questions that are not connected
Right.
to
No,
what
but-
we've been discussing here
but a
today.
question
You
to-
want to know how to shave your legs?
Not right now.
Dr. Shetty will teach you, will tell you.
No, but a related question now.
It better be a related question because
Yeah.
otherwise I'm going to knock you out of the park.
No, Neha, Deepika, and Soha, for all three of you, I just wanted to know, are there days when you feel a lot of pressure to always look good, to always look beautiful, considering that we are in an industry where a lot of focus is there on glamour? So are there days like that?
Every day, and especially when I scroll and I see my Instagram feed and suddenly Deepika's picture pops up, it's the worst feeling in the world, yes. And Soha's, of course. But Soha and me can like say these things to each other all the time. I don't get
Best
to say
feeling in the
this.
world because it's inspirational, isn't it?
No, let's just be honest. It's not. It's just like, oh my God, how does she look good all the time? Yes, that's too much pressure.
Neha just has this way of pulling my leg every time,
Not
in
true.
public and in private. She just knows how
Guys,
to do
she's
it.
gorgeous. And so is Soha and Ma'am, of course. And Mandira, of course. Please, somebody take over. And everybody here.
Okay, so how would you like to...
Is there pressure? I don't know. I think it depends from individual to individual. I think it depends on... A lot of people have a different way of handling it. And I wouldn't say there's pressure. Is there expectation? Yes. I think there is a lot of expectation from everyone to always look a certain way. And then I think it depends. Like for me, it really doesn't matter. If I've had a long flight and if I look great, great. But if I don't look great, that's also okay. You know, it's totally okay to not have great days. It's totally okay to not feel your best or to have low days. I think you have to allow yourself that much and not be so hard on yourself.
And I think it's amazing now that the media is literally everywhere. You come out of the gym, you get off a flight in the middle of the night, and you know, everyone can see just how natural you are. It's a wonderful thing.
Justin's friend has a question, that's right.
हेलो हेलो मंदिरा से माफी मांगते हुए मैं भी एक सवाल
नहीं, आप नहीं पूछ सकते, सॉरी.
मैं दीपिका से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि
नहीं, अगर ये लॉन्च से रिलेटेड नहीं है, I'm sorry.
क्योंकि जस्टिन ने पूछा इसलिए मैं भी
नहीं,
चाहता
पर
हूँ
Justin was just in time. He got away with it.
दीपिका मेरा सवाल ये कि हमने सुना है कि इस बार ऑस्कर के रेड कार्पेट पे आप चलने वाली इज इट ट्रू इसके बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे.
Would you like to answer that, or should I tell Justin's friend where to get off?
Justin's friend. It's an interesting question. No. Huh? Give him justice. Give Justin justice.
So
Right. Do we have any more questions?
Hi,
But if I do decide to, I'll definitely take Gillette along.
Yes. We want to hear that.
hi Deepika, Sohan.
Where?
Hello.
Where?
Neha.
Hi.
Oh, hello. Yes.
Oh, cheers here.
Yes. So मेरा सवाल कोई भी जवाब दे सकता है क्योंकि आप लोग जब घर से निकलते हैं तो घर में रख रखाव माँ से सीखते हैं, करीबी लोगों से सीखते हैं. जब ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं देन आसपास के लोगों से सीखते हैं. और दीपिका अभी आप हॉलीवुड भी जा चुकी हैं तो वहाँ के लोगों का भी रख रखाव देखा होगा आपने. किस तरीके से ये बदलाव देखती हैं, लाइक शेविंग एंड वट एवर, जिस तरीके से ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में वो खुद का रख रखाव, तो क्या अंतर पाती हैं आप दीपिका, अगर शेयर कर सकें या आप तीनों में से कोई भी बता सके.
I didn't get your... Did you get the question?
हर जगह ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में जब आप रहते हैं तो क्या अंतर पाते हैं, हॉलीवुड में किस तरीके से एक्ट्रेसेस या एक्टर्स अपना ख्याल रखते हैं फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम.
देखिए, एडवाइस तो आपको बहुत मिलेगी और हमें इतना एडवाइस चाहिए नहीं. तो आई थिंक कि जो लोग आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, अगर आपकी माँ हो, अगर आपके कोई क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हो जो आप ट्रस्ट करते हैं, अगर कोई ब्रांड्स हो जैसे दीपिका ने कहा जो मार्केट में बहुत सालों से हैं, जैसे कि जिलेट, जैसे कि वीनस, तो फिर आप वो ट्रस्ट के जरिए आगे चलेंगे. इट्स नॉट दैट अदरवाइज देयर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल हु हैव थिंग्स टू टेल यू अबाउट व्हाट इज गुड एंड इट आल्सो चेंजेस एवरी वीक. One day they'll tell you something is good for you and the next week it's not good for you. So you can't just go by people's opinions.
और कोई ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ पे आप लोग को क्लिक किया जाता है लेकिन वो जगह अच्छी नहीं होती, आपको बड़ा अजीब लगता है कि कोई आया फोटो खींच के चला गया या कोई वीडियो बना के चला गया.
Yeah, sorry, press. Sorry, press. हाँ, बहुत ऐसी जगह होती हैं, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर टेकन बाय सरप्राइज, जैसे कि रेस्टोरेंट के बाहर या फिर जिम के बाहर या फिर एयरपोर्ट के बाहर या फिर वहाँ सब, मतलब आई एम मोर देन हैप्पी if I don't get clicked on those places, but no, they know I love them, but he asked me a very objective question कि कहाँ आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता, और अगर आप आ रहे हैं तो हमें बता दीजिए, कहीं किसी तरीके से इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए कि थोड़ा हम बाल बनाएं, क्योंकि मैं तो मतलब जब फ्लाइट में सोती हूँ तो पूरा ऐसे मुंह खोल के सोती हूँ, so by the time I wake up and wipe my face off,
फिर हम तैयार
you
भी
guys
होते हैं
are
और फिर
there.
आप नहीं मिलते हैं।
हाँ, नहीं, हाँ, बस जिस दिन हम तैयार होके बाहर निकलते हैं तो कोई प्रेस वाला नहीं होता है, ऐसे कैसे करते हो यार आप?
Right, any more questions? Yes.
Hi to everyone. This is Sohail from Glamsham. Deepika and all of you all, as a
Yeah,
teenage
we are
girl,
crowd. Deepika and all of you all.
as a teenage girl, what were the myth regarding like shaving? And in today's world, technology has come so much that you have that permanent hair removal actually. So do you really feel the need for a razor actually?
Okay, 1 second. Can I just correct that one thing? So there is nothing like permanent hair removal. As you said, there's an advantage.
Through
for
laser?
technology.
No, it's not.
No. It's only reduction there also. So therefore, there is nothing on earth which can permanently remove your hair. It's reduction. Those are all just probably sales pitches. So it's only reduction. And that too after many, many sittings. It is not after 4 sittings or 5 sittings. So that's just a little correction. But there is.
सोहेल देखो आपने कुछ नया सीखा आज
Maybe even they might be having a myth also. I think there are lots of people. Any message to the viewers or to the girls or to the women actually, lots of myths are there regarding lots of things actually.
What message would you give a teenager
First thing,
perhaps?
as a teenager, what
I
myth
think
you
for
had?
the question that you asked, I think specifically, I think Reshma is the right person in terms of what advice, because she's Rashmi. Sorry, I don't know why I keep her, because she's the only qualified person. But for me, what I would say to young girls, I would say do what you think is best for you, because different things work for different people. Something that might work for me might not work for somebody else. So, amongst my friends, we can say, this works for me, that works. But eventually, I think if there's any professional advice, I think Reshma would be the best person. Rashmi. I didn't say Reshma, I said Rashmi.
Sure. I know everybody
as
mixes
a-
it up
as a-
with Reshma Shetty.
As a,
yeah, I know.
as a young teenager, what was your myth actually at that time when in the beginning actually? Because I don't think so at that time we had razors actually, maybe especially for the ladies actually. You had the hair removing creams actually.
Honestly, for a very long, actually until I started working, I didn't even look into this aspect of my life because for some reason I was an athlete and I had literally, it didn't even cross my mind to think about hair removal or my eyebrows or my hair or anything of that sort. I think at that point it was literally wake up in the morning, go to the field, do my training, go to school, come back. I had a very different life. And so I don't think back then these things, I didn't think of these things back then. But if there's anything that my mother told me, she said, at least as far as, my skincare and all of that was concerned, she said less is more. So don't do too much to your skin. And fortunately, I've been blessed with great genes and amazing skin. So the less you do, the better.
Neha, so I asked
But
you this.
is it really connected with hygiene also actually? It's more of
Would
hygiene.
you recommend shaving to say a 13-year-old girl or 14-year-old girl who comes to you and asks you for
I
advice?
mean, I'm on the same page as Deepika. I don't know if they start that young, because I didn't. But I mean, I started shaving, the first time I got a razor was when I shot for it at the age of like 19. And it was amazing. So I really, there's no, it's not like, oh, shave mat karo or tumhare liye acha nahi hai. It's not going to do you any harm. I mean, if you're talking about other hair removal, remedies that are there in the market right now, like Doctor as well said, that firstly, nothing is permanent. And secondly, it's not like it doesn't take time. For us, we're fighting different things at different levels or different points in our life. And maybe a teenager at that time, when, I think this would be probably post-school or something, when you start shaving or doing whatever else you need to do and you get conscious and you want to look a certain way, I would totally recommend it. And this is absolutely safe. And everyone out there, even the younger girls, don't start off young would be my advice. But when you do, shaving is a great way to start.
I think the message certainly is not that we are telling people when to shave or that we are telling people to shave. We're telling people that shaving can certainly be one of the ways that you would choose to remove hair. And if one of these various myths that Dr. Shetty was talking about are why you haven't shaved up until now, perhaps this is something you would like to try, because these are myths. And even if you do use other means of hair removal, you would still require something like the Jeanette Venus Breeze, because it is an essential part of everyone's beauty kit. Because there will be a time when you will use it, like all of us on stage do use it.
Very nicely put. Thanks. Now, I get the last question. Sorry, we've run out of time for questions, but I get the last question. Deepika, I'd like to ask you, Breeze is not just a beauty tool. It encourages women to, try something new, break the convention. So your thoughts on that? Embracing change.
Oh, absolutely. And I'm absolutely someone who endorses, you have to keep reinventing, you have to keep cutting the cord sometimes, whether it's physically, whether it's emotionally, whether it's in the form of detox, sometimes for me, even something as simple as just cleaning my cupboards helps me reinvent and restart. So I think it's important. It's important to always, it's important to be in the present, but it's also equally important to think ahead and to reinvent. And most importantly, it's important to take risks, because I think.
But there's no risk in shaving. Just saying. Sorry.
I mean, in reinvention, it's
Sure.
important to take risks.
Sure. It is very important to refresh our beliefs from time to time. Ladies and gentlemen, all ladies over here, you heard it here. Shaving is not bad for the skin. It'll only make your hair, make your skin smooth and soft at your convenience. Remember, it doesn't make your skin dark, nor does it make your hair thick, because that is determined by genetics. We just talked about that. And make sure you include the beautiful Gillette Venus Breeze in your beauty kit, because you can shave whenever, wherever, without any preparatory agent. That's the best part, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to do something a little bit different. Ladies and gentlemen, we do these customary selfies at the end of an event, but we're going to do a different kind of selfie. See, this event is all about